the best way for you to know the right time to enter a trade is for you to spot the right trend, and that has been the major problem you guys are having. Okay, and that will be solved in today's video. So guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I use to explain to you how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. So feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. I've got more than 100 video clips here that can get you started immediately. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. So take your time, watch them, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before you try the strategies out on your real account. Okay, this is very vital and important. Okay, and if you have any question at all, or you want to know more about my trading strategy, or probably you would like to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And okay, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. That is the only way you can be notified each time I upload a new video like this. Okay, so just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So quickly, in today's topic, we will be looking at the best trend trading strategy for boom and crash. Okay, for you to you need to be able to identify the best trend trading points before you can trade these two assets successfully, or any other asset successfully, because that is the only way you will know when to come into a trade. Maybe you should go with a buy trade, or you should go with a sell trade. The best way to know this is to know the trend of the market, and I will be explaining to you how to identify this and how to use this to identify your entry point. Just stay tuned and watch this video to the very end. Make sure you have your pen and your pad ready so that you can take note of some of these points that I will be highlighting in today's training. But first, let's quickly do a quick market analysis so that we get to know what will happen in the next few days. Okay, the first thing I will be looking at is the first asset is boom 1000, and I'm using the signal indicator for days. Okay, as you can see right here, for boom 1000, this is the resistance level, and ever since it got to the resistance level, you can see the downward movement, which has been the downtrend. Okay, you can see the downtrend. It got to the support level here, pulled back a bit, and went back on that downtrend. Okay, let's see if it will break this support level. If it's unable to break it, like we can see here, it is already consolidating here. If it is unable to break it, then we should see it pushing back up. And if it breaks this resistance level, then it should, if it breaks this resistance level that was created here by the pullback, then between here and here are the resistance level. Okay, resistance level. If it's break out from here, then definitely we should see a total reversal in price action. Then we should experience the price action to get to this level before there will be a reversal again in our price action. So for now, I want you to study this side in the next few days, because this is 1 hour time frame. Okay, you can check it out right here to see if it will break the resistance level here, break out from this consolidating area. If it breaks out above it, then we should be looking out for this resistance level before it will pull back again. But if it does not, then it will continue with the downtrend. Then it should get to this last support level at this page before there will be a major pullback in the price action. Okay, let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. This is also 1 hour time frame, and I'm using the crusher indicator to do the analysis here. Like I said few days ago, I analyzed with this and I told us that this is a support level, this is another one, and definitely if it breaks out from this support level, then we can see we're going to experience a breakout action. Okay, that is what happened here, and it's led to this. Okay, isn't that amazing? But it got to this support level. After getting to this support level, definitely you should experience a pullback at that level, and of course it's led to a major reversal in price action, and of course it has gotten to this resistance level again. Okay, you can see the resistance level, it got there here. You can see it got there here, it was unable to break it, and got there again, it was still unable to break it, and right now, which means it has tested it twice and it's trying to test it for a third time, then the number one thing that should come to your head is that it will still have a pullback even if it will eventually break that resistance level, and that is what led to this pullback. You can see the pullback here, you can see the pullback here that went for 3 hours. That is amazing. It was amazing, isn't it? Being in the market, selling for 3 hours, selling crash for 3 hours is amazing, but we may likely see a total reversal in price action if it is unable to break the resistance level. Of course it is trying to go back up again to see if it will be able to break it, but if it is unable to break it this time around, then we should have a total reversal in price action. Okay, that is that for you to look out for, so that you will know what to do whenever you are trading. Okay, let's check out boom 500, and I'm using the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, I'm using the QDC scraper indicator at the moment. This is what we are experiencing with the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, you can see that the price action is actually, the trend actually changed from uptrend to downtrend around here, and we got a sell signal. Like I said, once the signal is in support of the trend, then you are good to follow it. Check it out, we got our sell signal here, and this actually gave us how many minutes candles? 33 minutes candles. And if you don't have the boldness, or you don't have the trading capital that will lead you through the whole of the trend, you can easily pick up your 5 to 10 minutes candles within that region, and you are good to go. Okay, you are like, okay, what if a spike happens? Of course it can happen, it is part of the game. Okay, if it happens, check the trend. Are you still having the same trend? If you are still having the same trend, that means your signal is still in support of the trend. Definitely it will take you back into profit. Just relax, make sure you use the right lot size right from the beginning, then you will enjoy the trade at the end of the day. Okay, we're still doing the market analysis. Let's check out what is happening with crash 500, and I'm using the NT indicator this time around. You can see me analyzing, you can see all the red arrows showing my analysis. That is how I also analyze the market before trading, so you guys can also do that. You can see I'm using the custom made indicators, and I'm still doing my TA. Okay, so just to double check and to see how far I want to go in a trade before I place my trade. These are some of the things I do. Okay, of course the custom made indicator made it very easy for me to do, to work with. Okay, like I said, if you should check it out, this is daily time frame. I analyzed this few days ago, and I was like, if it breaks out from this resistance level, then we should see it going up above this, and that is what is happening at the moment. You can see that it is going up. Of course, even the NT indicator already gave us an analysis telling us that if it breaks out from there, then it should get to this take profit. You can see the take profit here, and that is what I also analyzed. Okay, then if it's okay, this is the take profit, but I'm saying it getting to this level. You can see my lines here getting to these levels, because that is where we have another major resistance level. It started from here, but I can extend it up to this level because of this consolidating area that is here. Okay, that is how you can do your analysis whenever you are trading. Okay, So I'm done with the analysis. Let's go straight into what we have for today, which is best trading strategy or best trading point for best trend trading point for boom and crash. That is what we want to look at today. Okay, like I said, it is always important you know this. Once you know this, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. But before going fully into that, in case you have any question at all about anything at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and you will also find them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are losing a lot. You are missing a lot. You need to do so that you can be updated each time I upload a training video like this. I usually post at least one video per day, just for you to digest and understand. Okay, that is how it works. So just check below this video and do the necessary. Okay, do the necessary thing, which is to subscribe to this channel. Okay, that way you will be notified each time I upload a new video like that. Okay, let's check out how we can spot out the right trend to trade. Okay, like I said, the right trend, you spotting out the right trend will also help you to know when to go into the market, or the type of signal you should follow, even if you are using all the custom made indicators. Okay, or the best custom made indicators. Okay, I'm using the QDC scraper indicator right now. I'm not saying it's the best custom made indicator, I only use that as an example. Okay, right now I'm using the QDC scraper indicator, and it is a fantastic indicator because it combines everything together. It helps us to know the present trend of the market, then the general trend of the market, and also helps us to know the signal. It gives us the signal to come in and to exit a trade. Okay, like I said, all this might not be perfect because no indicator is 100% perfect, but this is, to my based on my knowledge, this is about 90% perfect. Okay, and it will work for every strategy that I have used it to create a video on this channel. And this is how it should go. Okay, the first thing you should think of is, okay, what am I trying to do? What is the current trend of the market? Okay, that is the first thing you should try to know. Okay, let us know the current trend of the market. When I know the current trend of the market, then I will be able to say, okay, this is what I should do. Either I should buy or I should sell. Then that will also help me to know the exact signal to follow. So it is very, very simple. So how do we know the general trend of the market? I will advise you to know the general trend of the market. Okay, because even within the general trend of the market, you can easily scalp within those regions. You can see what happened there. That was a long spike, isn't it? That's amazing. Okay, so I tried to show you that because it just occurred. Okay, because it is already around the resistance level, which is here. Okay, which is here. If you should notice, this is the resistance level, and the exit arrow has already been, it's popped up right on time. Even before the spike happened, it popped up around here. While I opened the chart, the exit arrow was already out. And for those of you that are trading, I believe that you should have exited the market around there, because as you can see, it is already around the resistance level, and the exit arrow came out from here. And most people won't even exit the market until this long crash down happen. Okay, that is the major issue with most people. But with that being said, okay, let's go back to what I was explaining before. The first thing you should look out for is knowing the trend of the market. Then, like I said it is important you follow the general trend of the market, because even within the general trend of the market, it helps you to have some confidence within you, and it helps you to scalp trade even if you want to scalp trade. And if you want to go for a very long time, then you can easily do so. So how do we do that? Okay, how do we identify the general trend of the market? Around here, down here, is where we can find the general trend of the market. You can see the uptrend arrow showing around here. So which means that you should be getting ready. I'm not saying once you see the uptrend arrow you should jump into the market, most especially if it is just coming from a major downtrend. Then it won't go into uptrend immediately. Okay, it won't go into uptrend immediately. Sometimes it will try to go into uptrend, break it, and still readjust the uptrend arrow again. Yeah, the reason is it is coming from a major downtrend, so trying to pull back into uptrend. So things like that happen. Okay, so it means that you should be getting ready to trade. So when should you enter a trade? Once you see the blue arrow popping out, which is the buy signal. Okay, the buy signal is in support, is already in support of the trend at that particular point. So you can come in at that particular point. So you come in here and you can be in the market till this level and exit your market, and exit your trade rather, and exit your trade. This actually gave us 45 minutes candles. You can do your calculation. Let's do our calculation. Let's say we are earning $2 or $2.5 per minute. Okay, times 45. Okay, times 45, that is $112. That is amazing, isn't it? And within a single seed, within less than an hour, you've gotten that. In less than an hour, you've gotten that. And you can also go for more. Okay, you can also go for more till you see this exit arrow. Okay, you can also do this. Once you see this exit arrow, you come out and you allow the crash down to happen. It has happened, and you come in again with this entry point arrow. So far the trend is still green. As you can see, the trend is still green here, so you can come in here again and be in the market. And we started seeing the exit arrow here, so that is 26 minutes candles. Then you exit the market again, which is amazing. We can still do the calculation. The other time we got $112, but this time around 26 minute candles, 26 minutes candles times 2.5. okay, $2.5, that is around $65. Now add it up to $112, $112. You can see how easy it is for you to make $100 from a single chart. Okay, how easy it is for you to make $200 from a single chart. Okay, you guys were like, okay, like the trend is on uptrend now, and probably maybe it is around here that you saw the chart and you want to come into the trade. Guys, this is very, very important. If you miss this entry point, I don't think any other place is the entry point. You need to be patient enough for you to see the next entry point, and also always confirm the trend before you follow the next entry point. That is very, very important. Okay, but let's say you now decided to go into the trade, and just here, while the another issue is, if you decide to go into the trade here and the exit arrow is already out here, then there is no two ways about it. You guys should just exit the market, because you should know that it's about to crash at that particular point, and it's crashed, of course. But let's say you are the type that is very stubborn in trading. You left it open and it crashed. It's a big crash here. It's a big crash. If you use a reasonable lot size, of course it's going to chop off a bit of your capital, but this is it. So far this is still green, and it is yet to show us that the trend is about to change to a downtrend. Definitely, I can assure you this market will get back to your entry point and put you in profit. I can say that again and again, because I have practiced this over and over and over, except if the trend is about to end. But of course, check this out. The trend started from here. It started from here. I want to do a quick analysis, because that spike was a very long one. Okay, it can get you guys scared, but I'm going to show you something. It started on this candle, and this horizontal line is our entry point. Okay, marks where our entry point is. You can see it crashed down and stopped just above our entry point. I can bet it it's going to go back up. It should get to the top here, even above this level. It should get above this level before the trend will change. Okay, you can practice this out and share your experience with me. You can practice it out on demo. When I say you should practice it out, it means that you should practice it on demo. That is the main purpose of you having a demo account. Okay, practice it out using your demo account, then share your experience with me on WhatsApp. I will be glad, I will be happy to discuss with you. Okay, so feel free to share your experience with me on WhatsApp. So I want you to study this video over and over again. I'll check out what you have written in your notepad and have this set up on your demo account. Then try out everything I have explained here and see how wonderful this strategy is in order for you to milk the market successfully. And if you have any question at all, like I said, feel free to contact me. I will try as much as possible to reply all your messages just the way I have been doing before. I know I have lots and lots of messages daily, but I always make sure I give each of the messages a reply before the end of the day. Okay, that is how amazing, that is how far I can support you in your trading journey. Okay, I want you guys to be successful, so definitely I will reply your messages. Okay, and also if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, you might be missing my next training video, so you need to do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it and set it to all notification. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.